So my name is Anirudh Paul from SPARC. SPARC is the Society for Promotion of Area Resource Centers in Mumbai. In this project, we have extended our portfolio of water and sanitation to look into water bodies in the metropolitan region of Mumbai. We have been working to restore these water bodies using a nature-based solution approach. Most of the water bodies now are under threat, and one of the threat is due to pollution. We are treating water, recycling wastewater, also sewage water, which come from the surrounding homes using nature-based solution. Basically, they leave that water, they let the water oxidize, and there are plants which act as reed beds which actually treat the water. The next thing which we are doing is using that water to promote aquaculture and restore the water body through this process. This is a knowledge which is already there in communities in India. There are many places which do that. It would be the community who would actually look after this aquaculture project. They would benefit from the project because we know that this project is also going to protect biodiversity. UNDP, when we started off with this project, the first thing we tried to do is started to map all the water bodies of the Mumbai Metropolitan region and create a complete database of how many such water bodies are threatened. Now we have got a digital database. It allowed us to take one pilot where we are engaging closely with community-based organizations, with local authorities, trying to understand the local ecosystem of how it works. So that is another important aspect the fund has been able to do.